Determinant of a matrix. A number that is associated with a square matrix is called the determinant of a matrix. Let A equals to A, B, C, D. The determinant of matrix A equals to A, B, C, D. It is denoted by determinant of A, which is equals to A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. Cross multiplication of leading elements and after the cross multiplication of other elements. Number one question is 1, 2, 3, 4. How to find the determinant of this matrix? Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Determinant of A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. We will multiply 1 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. 1 multiplied by 4 equals to 4. 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Sign minus 2 is the answer. It is a non-singular matrix because its answer is not equals to 0. That's why I am saying that it is a non-singular matrix. Number 2 question. B equals to 6, 4, 3, 2. Determinant of B equals to 6, 4, 3, 2. 6 multiplied by 2 minus 3 multiplied by 4. 6 multiplied by 2 equals to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. 12 minus 12 equals to 0. Determinant of B equals to 0. It means it is a singular matrix. Now comes to adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of matrix. Let A equals to A, B, C, D. Adjoint of A is denoted by A. Adjoint of A. And in adjoint of A, we interchange the elements of leading diagonal and change the sign of other elements of the matrix. Inverse of a matrix. Here is example for this question. A is equals to 3, 5, 2, 4. Find A inverse. A inverse equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Firstly, we will find determinant of A. If the value of determinant of A is 0, it means it is a singular matrix and we do not solve these type of matrix furthermore. And if the value of determinant of A is not equals to 0, it means determinant of A, it is a non-singular matrix and solution exists in this question. Determinant of A is equals to 3, 5, 2, 4. 3 multiplied by 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2. 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12 minus 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. 12 minus 10 equals to 2, which is not equal to 0. It means A inverse exists. Adjoint of A is equals to 4, 3. We will interchange the element of leading diagonals and change the sign of the other elements of the matrix divided by 2. This is the value of determinant of A. Now we will divide all the elements by 2. 4 divided by 2 minus 2 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 and the value of minus 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 remains same. 2 minus 1 minus 5 upon 2 and 3 upon 2 is the answer of A inverse. Linear equations can be solved simultaneously with the help of matrices method. Question number 1. 5x minus 2y equals to 1 and 2x minus y equals to 0. We have two equations and we have to find out the value of x and y. In first step, we will transform the equations into matrix form. How we will transform the equation? We will write coefficient of x and y in matrix form 5, 2, minus 2 and minus 1 and the variable in other matrix x and y equals to 1, 0. We will separate the 1 and 0 in other matrix as well. Let A equals to this matrix, capital X equals to this matrix and B equals to this matrix. Therefore, if 5, 2 minus 1 equals to A, we will write A, xy x equals to 1, 0, B. We have equation x equals to A inverse B because we will find the value of x and y in this question. For the value of determinant of A. Determinant of A equals to 5, 2 minus 1. You know how to find the value of determinant of matrix. 5 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5 minus minus plus 2 multiplied by 2 equals to 4 minus plus minus 5 minus 4 equals to 1. A determinant is not equals to 0. It means A inverse exists and we will find the value of x and y. by the process. Adjoint of A equals to, what is the method of finding the value of adjoint of A? We will shift -1 to 5 and 5 to -1, and we will write the opposite sign with these two elements. -2 means +2 and +2 means -2. Now comes to the formula of A inverse. A inverse equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A, we will divide the all elements with -1, -1 divided by -1, 2 divided by -1, -2 divided by -1, and 5 divided by -1. Minus minus cancel, 1, 2 upon -1 mean -1, minus minus cancel, it's mean 2, and -5. This is the matrix of A inverse. Therefore, equation 1 becomes x equals to xy. We write xy in place of capital X equals to matrix of A inverse. This is the matrix of A inverse, and the value of B. This is the value of B, 1, 0. Xy equals to 1, 2, -2, -5, 1, 0. You will multiply these two matrices. 1 multiplied by 1 plus -2 multiplied by 0. First row multiply by first column. Second row will multiply by first column. 1 multiplied by 1 plus -2 multiplied by 0. 2 multiplied by 1 plus -5 multiplied by 0. 1 multiplied by 1 equals to 1. -2 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. Plus -5 multiplied by 0 equals to 0. 1 plus 0 equals to 1. 2 plus 0 equals to 2. X equals to 1 and y equals to 2. Solution set equals to 1, 2. Value of x equals to 1 and value of y equals to 2 here. Linear equations can be solved simultaneously with the help of Cramer's rule. We have question 2x minus 4y equals to 8 and x minus 3y equals to 4. This is of the form a1x plus b1y equals to c1, a1 equals to 2, b1 equals to -4, c1 equals to 8. Similarly, a2x plus b2y is equals to c2. Here a2 equals to 1, b2 equals to -3, and c2 equals to 4. For D is equals to a1, b1, a2, b2. a1, the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 2, a1 equals to 2, a2 equals to 1, b1 equals to -4, and b2 equals to -3. In determinant, we multiply the diagonal elements of the determinant, and after that minus the other elements. 2 multiplied by -3 minus 1 multiplied by -4. D equals to -6 minus minus plus 4 minus plus minus 6 minus 4 equals to 2. Is answer is equals to -2, which is not equals to 0. Solution exists. We solve dx and dy for the formula. Dx equals to c1 c2 b1 b2. This is the determinant of dx. c1 c2 equals to 8 and 4. b1 b2 equals to -4 and -3. 8 multiplied by -3 minus 4 multiplied by -4. You know how to find the determinant. Minus plus minus, 8 multiplied by 3 equals to 24, minus minus plus 4 multiplied by 4 equals to 16. Minus plus minus, minus 8 is the answer for dy. dy equals to a1, a2, c1, c2. The value of a1, a2 and a1 and a2 is 2, 1, and c1, c2 is 2, 8, 4. 2 multiplied by 4 minus 8 multiplied by 1. 8 minus 8 equals to 0. By Cramer's rule, x equals to dx upon d is equals to -8 divided by -2. Minus minus cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8 equals to 4. Y equals to dy upon d. The value of dy equals to 0 and the value of d equals to -2. 0 minus 2, 0 divided by -2 equals to 0. Solution set equals to 4, 0. The value of x and y is equals to 4 and 0.